Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Cosrx Dual Essence set, the Cosrx Snail 92 Cream and Snail 96 Essence. If you're looking for a Korean skincare duo that hydrates, repairs, and revitalizes your skin, this might just be the perfect match for you. First up, let's talk about the Snail 92 Cream. This is no ordinary moisturizer. It's infused with 92% snail mucin, also known as snail secretion filtrate, which is renowned for its ability to build a strong moisture barrier on the skin. This barrier helps to plump and hydrate the skin deeply, making it feel soft and refreshed all day long. The cream is lightweight with a gel-like texture that glides smoothly onto the skin without leaving any sticky residue. What makes this cream stand out is how it calms irritated and sensitive skin, especially after breakouts or conditions like rosacea. The combination of snail mucin, hyaluronic acid, and betaine works together to repair the skin and strengthen the barrier by replenishing essential moisture. It's designed to soothe and protect your skin, leaving it radiant and healthy. Now, moving on to the Snail 96 Essence. This essence is a powerhouse with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin and is perfect for those who want long-lasting hydration without any heaviness. This essence is excellent at repairing dryness and reducing signs of aging, such as dullness and fine lines. By improving skin vitality, it leaves your complexion looking fresh, dewy, and naturally glowing. The key ingredient, mucin, delivers moisture deep into the skin, helping to soothe and rejuvenate even the most dehydrated skin types. It's simple yet effective, making it a great addition to any skincare routine. What's also important to note is Cosrx's commitment to skin-friendly formulations. Both products are hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, ensuring they're gentle even on sensitive skin. They are free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, and are cruelty-free, meaning no snails are harmed during the mucin collection process. This makes the duo not only effective but also ethical and safe. Using the duo is straightforward. After cleansing your face, you apply the Snail 92 Cream followed by the Snail 96 Essence. The cream works to lock in moisture and repair your skin, while the essence boosts hydration and helps your skin regain its natural glow. In summary, the Cosrx Snail 92 Cream and Snail 96 Essence duo offers a blend of powerful hydration, skin barrier repair, and soothing properties in a lightweight and comfortable formula. It's perfect for anyone with dry or sensitive skin looking to enhance skin vitality, reduce dullness, and maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. If you want a gentle yet effective duo that combines the benefits of snail mucin with other hydrating ingredients, this set deserves a spot in your skincare routine. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in more skincare insights, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.